السلام عليكم.
Welcome to part 13 of our Arabic learning series, where we are exploring vegetables and fruits vocabulary. The first word is
موز.
which means banana. Next is
برتقال.
meaning orange. The next word is jazar, which means carrot. After that comes
طماطم.
meaning tomato. Next is
بطاطس.
which means potato. The next word is
خيار.
meaning cucumber. After that comes
تفاح.
meaning apple. Next is
بصل.
which means onion. The next word is
سبانخ.
meaning spinach. After that comes
فراولة.
meaning strawberry. And the last word is
باذنجان.
which means brinjal. Practice these words by naming the fruits and vegetables you see in your kitchen or at the market in Arabic. This will help you remember them in your daily life. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these healthy food words and you'll master them quickly. Next up, Arabic Learning Series, Part 14, Weather. Wishing you continued success on your Arabic journey. Goodbye and peace be with you. See you in the next lesson.